Margaret Hirsch at home with Hirsch's and Kat and with
Kelly from Kelly's Kitchen.
and we've made this lovely rainbow pizza today. Now we did it on the pizza stone from Hirsch's and you'll see how beautiful and crisp this crust has come out. It's so quick, so easy, and you can put the filling of your choice. We've done a rainbow pizza. Kelly, tell us what you put in here.
This is a fun one for the kids to construct. We've got tomatoes, zucchini, red onion, red pepper, yellow tomatoes, and some yellow peppers on a base of Napolitana.
A lovely nutritious meal for the kids. They can make it themselves with a pizza stone. It comes out fabulously.